Today I'm going to be diagnosing and repairing why this garbage disposal is leaking out the bottom. As you can see, I'll add a video to show you, but when water comes through this, it just leaks through the bottom. As you can see, I had to put a bucket and it's slowly dripping. So at first I thought it was aligned to the dishwasher as it was running, but I found leak was dripping under here and not up here where the dishwasher water goes into. So I'm going to take this apart. I just have this crossover tube that goes to the main drain. It's 2 bolts on each side, and then the 1 bolt up top for the clamp, and then I'll just put this in the bucket so we can still run the dishwasher. Then we also have the plug back there and the fitting at the top. So let me get this out. Alright, so I got it out, and all I had to do was disconnect the 2 pipes that ran right there and then turn this clockwise, and it just fell right out. So I was going to take it apart, but the nut that holds it around is a kind of like the star bit, so I'd need a star socket, but I don't have any of those. And this has been working for around 19 years now, so I might as well just replace it, as it may be coming to the end of its life cycle, especially how all the water was running out. So let me go show you the new one. So this is the new one we got. Here is the model number, and I got exactly the same one as the flange that it sits onto. I know some of them may be different, so it comes with the new one, but since it's the same one, the old one is exactly the same thing, so I don't have to worry about replacing that. It also comes with everything here, a tube right here to go down, but we don't need this, a new gasket, the plate, then 2 screws, and this Allen key. But the old gasket on the pipe is fine, so I'll just leave that there. So now I can get to just installing this, and I'll try to show y'all how I do it. Alright, so it is the next day, and as you can see, the new one is on. So I ran the dishwasher, I put water all through it, and I see no leaks from the bottom where it was leaking originally, and around this pipe right here, and then this one up here that the dishwasher drains into. So if you don't have a dishwasher, then you don't need to mess with this, but if you do, this is the drain for the dishwasher, and there's a plastic plug in this section of pipe. So what I had to do is get a screwdriver and a hammer, and then hammer the cap. It sits right here at the end, hammer it out. And then through the top, I got some needle nose pliers and pulled out that plastic piece. And another thing is, this ring, the ring up top does not move freely until you push this up and slide it. Then it will move freely, and you can hammer it out the way and align the marks. So that's basically it. Now I made sure everything has a good seal, and I watched it for a day or 2, and it works perfectly. So thank you for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos.